On top this subsidy removal, TMC TV crew con carry waka enter market for Benin City, Edo State, to ask the people how the matter take affect them and their market. Our tori person Precious Umukoro wey do this waka con enter market go ask the market women how the fuel subsidy removal take affect the price of things for market, how them dey cope with customers, and if the market sef dey move. Our tori person con still ask people wey dey come buy things how them dey manage with the way price con high for market.
Since federal government remove fuel subsidy, the fuel can increase. Some they say 520, 530, 535, 540. Some 600. So we the drivers now, they tell on us. If we carry drop to where we feel they carry go for 2,000, we tell them they give up 4,000 because the fuel increase more than times 2. The passenger know the great pay. We are now working, returning fuel. If I buy fuel for me to start my car in the house now, I have to buy fuel of 5,000 naira to come out. Before I finish that 5,000 naira, now 7,000, 6,000, how they work. That 7,000 naira, I cannot go buy fuel again. At the end of the day, I will not be able to meet up. I can carry 3,000 recharge. Meanwhile, if I calculate the fuel will eat up to about 9,400. Fuel of one day now eat 9,400. And the balance money with me was 5,000 naira. And I'll pay ticket. I'll pay Agbero. So the government is not supposed to remove that fuel subsidy. They're supposed to use that to help the masses. Besides that, we in Nigeria, what are we benefiting from the federal government? Light we not get, road we not get, school we not get, then electricity we not get. Most of the things we are not benefiting. The only thing the common man is benefiting is this fuel. This fuel now they remove now. What are they expecting? Everything that they increase. But at the end of the day, now after we don't remove fuel money not reach 3,000 naira again. Before the fuel subsidy, money they follow person recharge. No road you go enter where you know see portal where your motor no go one spoil. Every week you have to go and look at how you take repair down leak. Federal government is not helping us in this country at all. And we are looking for a way to run away from this country. So we will abandon this country for them. We be the big politicians who are siphonning the money and putting it in their pocket.
See small money fresh wey I tell my customer last week say 8.5 but today na 9.8. The price dey go up every day. No say na fuel be life. After this breath wey God give person, na fuel na dey control the life. You understand? So fuel too dear. Every day customers dey complain. They still dey try. They force themselves dey buy because they no get choice. We dey put price. This thing before, how much we dey sell am? But today na 1,001. Now we come dey sell am. Even my gain sef don short. E no dey reach again. The gain don short. Things too dear. E too dear abeg. We fit talk say the one wey we fit pass, our papa wey fit comot say do us win. This other one wey come na baba, e don dey do another one again. So the thing get as e be. Make dem reduce the fuel so that customers see goods now before these things no dey reach me to sell. When they will give me 50 bags before I sell am under 10 days. If I buy 10 bags now, 2 weeks I never sell am finish. Things are too expensive. Meanwhile, I still dey buy food stuff. These are just toiletries, detergent. I dey buy food stuff. Now so e still dey bill me. Fish of 500 naira now na 1-2 they dey sell am.
Now the government, if they can know the truth and do the needy to put their ruling, everything be all right. Price will not be go up. I've been saying it. All the cabal that holding Nigeria problem, the Nigeria problem, until they repent. If they don't repent, all of us go just they struggle to go like that. Understand me? Even though I tell you how much I'm buying this now, I'm telling it. From that area, they're bringing it to come. Are they buy it good price before giving it to us? That's the question. Since 1962 today, Nigeria, I don't see any improvement. And to me, I don't see any improvement. Those graduates who are coming out now, no work. If Nigeria is sincere, the graduates coming out, we have money posted to them before they get work. Let's say 20,000 or 10,000 every month without worrying themselves. They say kidnap. Now the government, now they cause them. Now Nigeria have money, have all resources, but they are not using it to help the masses. Understand me? When time come, people will know how Nigeria will be, how other people will be.
Fuel subsidy increased by 100%, so our goods increased by 40%. We dey listen together because my customer no say no be my fault. Na government fault. It's not my fault. So As they see things, they follow it up. You know, say Nigeria, they quick to adopt for every other thing.
It dey inside. It dey inside. But transport now mostly affect. But na the transport now they bring the goods when we dey sell for here. But we still dey cope. Normally we still buy fuel that time. We still buy and find something. We don't dey used to the system. So not to affect us like that. We are still selling. So like that one mean no.
It's too hard though. The thing, this first subsidy, they affect everything. Now we wait the inside market. Now we know say the masses they suffer. We wait they even fit do business. It's not easy for us. Not talk of the ones we know they do. That they suffer. This market now, know they let buy again. Even to sell, I know they let sell because people know they fit come out again. Imagine where you go use on 200 naira go before you can't use 600 and you get 2,000 to cook. How you fit take come out? You better stay like that. You not just get as a day. May they beg, may they still, may they reduce, may they come out that fuel subsidy where they come not good. It dey affect business well. You know they even before we dey even see cut 500 naira or give some people, but now to sell 1,000 home, it dey hard. Even that 1,000, me go dey ask whether na spaghetti dem wan use am cook. E dey very small, e not good at all, e too high.
Now sugar wey we dey sell 1,500 naira, e don turn to 1,200 naira. We just dey manage everything small as we see am. Market no dey move as before. Everything dey worst every day. As we want to survive.
How you and your customer take dey do for price?
For price now, they don't come price. I still explain to them as everything be. They'll still manage as they see am. Not be by force. If you like it, buy.
Market you're wrong. E no clear, not inside the pig groundnut. If e clear, no pig groundnut. These tomatoes when they sell that time at 250 naira. These tomatoes is 1,000 naira last. Who they follow us, they buy am, they complain. This one way they here so they buy am, they sell 100 naira. It's 500. Why it come be like say the thing they worse every day. So this one way they here so I offer my hand. Now 800 naira. It's 2,500. We where they sell am, we they cry. Who they follow us, they buy, they cry. Tomatoes so be say we don't they perish. What they perish goods. What they spoil. If you spend 2 days go they spoil. Now you gonna be say if you put price, nobody feel they buy am. So just stand down, they look the whole money. You say this 500 don't take make stew. Tomatoes and pepper 500. But they know if you buy tomatoes and pepper 500. If you know 1,800 naira, you know if you say you want do small pepper soup. I'm not stew. Where get family. What if they happen? Now with the ask, what did they happen? They say change. This is the worst every day. I want me to come to our rescue. If they are bought, they say butter. If the butter, they open now. This tomato, they find solution. Because these tomatoes now they affect us on the market now. These tomatoes now, if you don't buy them, they buy 10 tomatoes. They buy. You see there. If you know 5,000, if you make stew, why?
This pack, they buy 1,000. They buy 1,004. Now they buy 3,100. That is come for almost 2,270. Take on. So we'll call the sell at 300. 13 naira again, not reach me buy anything. You see me that Gary they drink. Oh, may they let the Nigerians change. Especially that fuel, may the color come down. May the color come down. If you go like 100 naira, even 150, things go see if they fall come down. But now things they there. They say, make the right person enter. They know that is now my turn. My turn don't enter, make it do something. Now it's turn because he not use vote enter that seat. So as he can't use his own turn, enter say, now by turn, make he do things, make things they okay. So all God say, who get one picking? I know 50 that baby if you want buy baby for your 10,000, only one. For you go buy what you take me say, not easy. You see that Gary and beans now they drink. See, Gary and beans, I don't see money. You see my load, see, Gary and beans now they drink. 250. 250. So now be the thing. So say because say it's too dear. Before we they say that way Buhari never enter post. This match is the pack now 15 naira. We they buy the full carton fight now. We they buy the full carton 26,000. Now you see the raise over almost 21,000 topper. What would they buy?
No market, they're not they buy. Who 500 before? He say you want buy 500 naira. You tell us say na 500, you not go buy, go come out.
You go say na that kind money dey buy 200 before, you go just run. Market no dey as before, we no dey sell.
Feed too dear, we no dey see feed dey buy.
Now after they remove that subsidy, abi, now the thing come worse.
Now it come worse, now we no dey see feed. They say fuel dear.
How you say they bad things? How you say they manage?
And na only God. We buy, they have to sell. Because the money too big. Money where they push on too big.
Like before, how you they say? How many cartons they say they born now? How you say
Before they sell 3 carton. Now, 1 carton come they sell.
How you say they do with customer if they price?
And they beg them now before they buy. I go they beg before they buy. If they not buy, they'll say it too dear. Some go come on, some go buy. Because more than still tell government. Because the thing too dear, they have to sell.
Now what you want make government do? So how they
And now the thing too dear. Now may see airports, may see come down. They say fuel too dear. Now I made they put something for everything. We'll go Korun, you know see fish buy. We'll they work up and they'll still the cost person for Korun. We carry and come here, no price. They know the price down where. We'll see the beg.
Tinubu wey enter, God go let am. Make this Nigeria may favor this Tinubu. Everything wey dey hold, make Tinubu wey wan pay, make God let am pay am. May let am do well for us. Anybody wey enter government, make God let am good for we. Now we dey pray for. Something too dear. Both meat, both fish, both provision, it too dear. We dey manage. Abeg. All those children wey dey go school now, they don change am to afternoon. So all that one we no need am. Make dem dey go school as dem dey go before. Now we need abeg. We tell God beg government.
No expectancy go be like this, and secondly, things dey very tough, you know. From now, transport wey dey enter 15 naira, like could be 100 naira, you know, and things dey very hard. The hardship is very, very difficult. You understand? They have to sort it out.
Even for the transport, where I'm paying 100 naira, now I'm paying 200. For going, like, buying something on market, yeah, it's clean. Something that we all normally buy like 200 before, now we are buying it 300. You buy it 400. If you don't like it, you leave it and go your way. The fuel actually affects some people. Even where I'm working, my store, I know how much. Before I used to buy fuel if customer come my work. But now I'm very, very afraid to buy fuel and do some things. That is how it's very, very hard. I know the country is very hard.
Una go see say we carry waka enter Mission Road, Lagos Street and market wey dey around Ring Road. And na the same matter everybody dey complain say things too dear, customer no dey, market no move, and now the people dey beg government to intervene make dem reduce the price of fuel if possible, or make dem bring palliative wey go help the people reduce the suffer. From TMC TV studio, A. Carter, Ojesele.